Hey there, it's Cindy Murray from Crafty Neighbor, and I am here today because I wanted to share a little reveal video. I got my Allie Edwards December Daily box in the mail today. I had ordered a set for me to do, and then I also ordered a kit for my daughter and my soon-to-be granddaughter. Step-granddaughter, I guess is what she would be, but I'll just call her granddaughter. So these came in the mail. I ordered them during the ordering period, and they shipped out recently, and I got them today. And so let's look and see what all is in this box. I love doing reveal videos because sometimes people see what something looks like, and it gets them kind of excited about the products too. So let's see if we can do this a little bit better. Here we go. Packing stuff. Oh, there's all kinds of goodies in here. So, and I don't even remember what all I ordered. So it's going to be really exciting. So I think this is the small album. Here it is. And that's what I ordered for my future granddaughter to do because I thought it would be fun. She's about to be 9, and I thought it would be really fun for her to do this with us. And then I also ordered, let's see, the Merry Everything and a Happy Always album, and this is really hard to see. Here we go. There it is. So I ordered that for my daughter and I both, or for my daughter and me. Let me correct my grammar there. So there's 2 of those. And I accidentally ordered this gold one, and it doesn't have anything written on it, and it's just kind of stars. So I think I may use this for my one little word book for 2020, and we'll see. I don't know. I haven't figured out what my one little word is going to be yet, so it may or may not work, but I thought it would be really cool. And this looks like, I don't know what anything is, so we'll just open it up and see. It's a little zippered pouch, you can see. And, oh, I think this is the children's kit. So there's this cute little stamp set, some discs, embellishments, plastic. These are, oh, some felt embellishments. They're all different sizes of ornaments, or light ornaments or bulbs, I'm not sure which, and a little stamp or stamp pad, ink pad. And then there's also all of these cards, since it's the since she's going to be doing the 4x6 book. These will be perfect in there, and I think these will be really fun to get her started on doing these crafts. And then there's a little, I don't know if you can see this, a little envelope, glassine envelope with some stickers and stuff in it. So I don't want to open that up to show you since it's going to be a gift for her, but I thought I'd at least show you what's in the kit. So that's going to be really fun for her and my daughter Kristen to do together. And as you may or may not know, Kristen is getting married next August, and so she's coming into an Insta family, and we're really excited about that. We love the little family that she's marrying into, and so we'll see how that all turns out. I can't wait to get another crafter in the family. So here's the adult kit, the regular Christmas kit, and we'll open that up, and there are so many things in here. I don't know if you can see all that. It looks really cool. I'm really excited to play with these. So there's some wood embellishments, and these are like stars. These are really, I don't know if you can see those very well. My lighting in here is not the best because it's late in the day, but I really wanted to open this today, so, and I'm just now getting to it. These are some transparency embellishments, ephemera, I don't know what you call it. I call it all embellishments. So these are an assortment of hexagons. So those will be fun to play with. And some rubber embellishments. Those will be fun to, like, they're shaped like little tags. And there's some cork elements. I like playing with the cork and the wood. Those are a lot of fun. Oh, there's a whole bunch of these. They're like little banners that have different sayings on them. And these are an assortment of cards, and these look like the, what is it, 3x4 cards. So, and here's some more 3x4 cards. And these are like the journaling cards. And these are different ones. These are, I think they're just numbers. So, but they're like a clear, well, not clear, they're an opaque white plastic. These are some little metal embellishments. Those are, I'm getting like a really bad reflection off of my patio door. Is directly across from us there. These are some chipboard pieces. And these are more chipboard pieces. These are so much fun. I'm so excited to play with all of these. And these are some metal letters, stickers. I really like these. They're very thin and dimensional, so it's almost like a metal, maybe, I'm not sure. They're really cool. These are some assorted stickers, so there's some cool stickers in there. I can pull those out now that, since this one is mine, I can do that. And let's see what is in here. Oh, there's 2 pages of the same, so that helps with the, there you go. That over here. This is another little sheet of stickers. They look to be clear, maybe, so those will be kind of fun on the different pages, because stuff will show through behind it. Here's some big tags. Allie likes the big tags, and I haven't used a lot of them, but I'm looking forward to using those. And then there's some paper, and it's a little paper assortment, and we'll open this up and look at the paper if I can figure out where it opens. Right there. So there's some little assorted Christmas trees, wreaths, and her December daily product play class is centered on wreaths and numbers, I believe. So, and I'm looking forward to that too. So this one is trees. I don't know if you can see that. Stars and more stars. Some greenery and snowflakes or something like that, and then a stripe. I always like having stripes in there. So that is the December daily kit, and then let me move all this aside and we'll look to see what else I bought. So I have another kit, of course, because I bought one for my daughter, and so she'll have one for her birthday. And then this is all the other stuff I bought, because I kept going back to the ordering site and finding more things that I thought I needed. This one is the transparency pages. I love transparency pages. They're just so fun to peekaboo through, to see something on the next page. And so I didn't pull that one out, but it says, twinkle, 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 twinkle. And it's really hard to, let's see if I can find a way to see that. Here we go. So there you go. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. And then there's also a grid some greenery again, just like the paper that we saw in the kit. A Santa, and I've heard mixed feelings about the Santa. Let me see if he shows up better on the white. There he is. Some people love him, some people don't. I think he's cute. Very, very retro. And then the gold stars. Up there where you can see that really close. Gold stars. So that's all of the transparencies. And then I also bought this kit of stamps. So it has all kinds of things. Christmas joy, Merry and story, today, bright, eve, tradition, family, friends, morning, happy day, together, Santa holiday, evening, and numbers. So I thought that would be really cool for stamping, and I like all those words. You can kind of change them around and add them in different combinations. Ooh, more stuff, more stuff. So I love chipboard, so I also bought one of the chipboard packs, and this one, well, if I can figure out how to open it here. I know that's where it opened. Maybe. Oh, nope, I'm opening on the wrong end. I'm seeing the one on the inside. There's a package in a package. So, here we go. So there's this set that has stars, hearts, and trees. There we go. There's the sweet spot. And then we have a lot of words. So all these words, and then some tags and arrows and assorted other things there. We also have some half pages, which I am looking forward to using those. There's a star, a round, and then a half of a tree. I bought 2 other stamps. Oh, I got 2 different ones. I think I must have done that by accident, but that's okay. I will put one in the Christmas bag for or the birthday bag for my daughter. So this one's kind of cute. It has a holiday and it has like a little checklist here. I loved that checklist. And it says, loving this, all I want, happy mail, winter wonderland, holiday, merry, had so much fun, and merry everything. So that'll be fun. And I bought one for me. I can only assume I bought one for her. I don't remember. Or I accidentally bought it twice because I liked it so much. And then I also have these stickers because you can't have enough word stickers. So they're in 3 different colors, and they all say something different. And then I bought some embellishments because you can't have enough embellishments either. And these are just some various chipboard embellishments. And we'll see if we can get those open up so we can see what those are. So there's like some small pieces, like this one is like a little page topper thing that says peace. And there's a big circle that says Pieces of Christmas, and there's some smaller stuff in there too. And then some tags, and that one, the one on top says Holiday Joy. So you can see all of these products online at allieedwards.com, and some of this stuff is still available for sale if you want to go buy it and join us in the December Daily Product Play class. And that's all I have for today. I will have videos for you again soon. Bye-bye.